The first signs of aging on your knitwear are usually little bobbles. Pilling is all part of the natural wear and tear of knitwear. These usually first appear on high friction areas such as under the arm or on the cuffs. But the good news is you can easily remove these by using a wool comb. You'll soon find there's a direction the comb wants to go with the knit. It's also a lot easier if you apply tension with your free hand. You want to keep that comb nice and clean so it's more effective, so just take away any of the bobbles that gather on the comb. I also find it a lot easier if there is a bit of padding under the item that you're combing. This is the side that hasn't been combed, and this is the side that has. Just look at the difference. It's like a whole new jumper. Let's just say this is one of the easiest ways to take care of your knitwear. Visit us on our website where you can get your hands on one of these care and repair kits.